it'll only go straight with hard right rudder. I was almost out of control. But I felt the stick starting to shake. I
Oh,
was just looking out front, this attitude.
yeah.
Look, that's how you survive.
Yeah.
That instruments. Wind up your nose as your airspeed. Hang on, which way is it trying to turn us? It's trying to turn us to the left, yeah.
Yeah.
And torque reaction's trying to roll us to the left. Maybe they're the wrong way around, because the prop goes that way, craft's trying to... Oh no, wind swirl. Wind swirl off the prop tries to turn us to the right. That was the theory. Theory's based on wind swirl, but if you fit a tall tail, it counteracts wind swirl. I think I'll leave it off completely. Otherwise I may be full left rudder and she gets out of control. I've got to fix the engine first to just see how the propeller performs. The Coke can shimmers for the rotors.
That's for the rotors, okay.
Clear prop.
Clear. There we go. Is the tail supposed to be shaking around so much like that?
Not when it's airborne. Oh, this is a bit loose. Yeah, it could be to do with these things.